Good morning! I'm so glad you're back on day 14 in our reading tutorials. So children, are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Lessons for today: learn the sound of letter I and R. Identify the letter sounds and word pictures. It's letter I. Letter I. Big letter I and small letter I. And the sound is E. E. Repeat. E. Let's read with the beginning sound of E. Ready? Begin. E. Igloo. E. Indian. E. Insect. Now it's your turn. Okay, it's your turn. Sound it first. Ready? Begin. Bravo! Next. Let's read the words. Read with me. Sound it first. P. E. N. Pen. Next. Him. Next. In bin. Next. In fin. Again, let's read. Pin. Him. Bin. Fin. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Next. 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 Okay, read again. Next. Next. Bravo! Okay, this is letter R. R. Big letter R and small letter R. And the sound is R. R. Just like the sound of a lion. Sound it again. R. R. Let's read with the beginning sound of R. Sound it first. Begin. R. Rabbit. R. Rose. R. Rock. R. Rainbow. It's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Great! Okay. Letter I sound as E. And letter R sound as R. E. R. Repeat. Sound it again. Good job. Activity 26. Write letter I or R with the correct beginning letter sound of each picture. So just write here I or R with the correct beginning letter sound of these pictures. You can use your paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and be back if you're done. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's check. Letter I sound as E, insect. R, rose. R, rabbit. E, igloo. E, Indian. Rainbow. Are you correct? If you are correct, then good work. Lessons tomorrow. See you again. Goodbye.